Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 3 and question number 4 from exercise 5.3. And the topic you can see on your screen is sketching graphs of cubic polynomials and their moduli. We did first 4 questions from exercise 5.3. Today we are going to start question number 5. But before I start this question, I would like to suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise and also this chapter. After watching previous lectures, you will have good command on this topic. Let's start question number 5. Sketch each of these curves and indicate clearly the axis intercepts. Part A. Y equals to x plus 1, x minus 2, sorry, x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 modulus. In order to draw the graph of modulus, first we just draw the graph without the modulus function. Like let y is equals to x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Now I took this equation without the modulus sign. Now do all work which we did in question number 4. First we have to find the axis intercepts, that is x-intercept and y-intercept. In order to find x-intercept we have to put y is 0. So x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. From here, because it is already factorized, the value of x is minus 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to find the y-intercept. In order to find y-intercept we have to put x is 0. So 0 plus 1, 0 minus 2 and 0 minus 3. So y is equals to 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Therefore the coordinates are minus 1, y is 0, x2, y is 0, x3, y is 0 and x0, y and y is 6. Now we have to draw the graph, sketch the graph, as we have to write and behavior as x as x goes to positive infinity. You can see in the equation, when x approaches to positive infinity, y is also approaches to positive infinity. You can confirm with the help of the given equation. You can put any positive value of x, you will get positive value of y, and y, sorry, and x goes to negative infinity when y goes to negative infinity. If you are new in my channel, kindly you must watch previous lecture in order to fully understand the meaning of x approaches to positive infinity and y approaches to positive infinity. In this case, the shape is from bottom to top. Now, in order to draw sketch x-axis and y-axis, this is x, this is y, and this is origin where the value of x and y both are 0. So minus 1 comma 0 you can say over here, 2 comma 0 you can say over here, 3 comma 0 you can say over here, 0 comma 6 you can say on y-axis. Now draw the graph. Join these lines. This is x positive. So this is the graph. This is minus 1. This is 2. This is 3. Now, this is not final answer because we have to draw the graph of modulus function to reflect the part of the curve which is below the x-axis. So this part from 2 to 3 is below the x-axis, so we have to reflect this part like this. So now our graph from if I sketch again, and this one, the red line is the red curve is the required graph. So hope you understand completely, and you can extend this line as well. Students, in cubical function there is no requirement to find the turning points. Otherwise, if the requirement is to find the turning points, we have to find turning point as well. Okay, so this is the answer of part 1, part A. Move to part B. Rub this. What is part B? Part B is y equals to 2, 5 minus 2x, x plus 1, x plus 2 modulus. Again we have to consider that this is without modulus. 2, 5 minus 2x, x plus 1, x plus 2. First we have to find intercepts, that is y intercept and x intercept. In order to find x intercept, we have to put y is 0. So 2 0 is equals to 2 into 5 minus 2x, x plus 1, x plus 2. From here I am writing directly the values of x, because you are O level students, you can solve easily. You know if the equation is already factorized, so just take 5 minus 2x is equals to 0. This will gives you x is equals to 5 upon 2. Similarly, x plus 1 is equals to 0 gives you minus 1. Similarly, x plus 2 is equals to 0 gives you minus 2. Now find y-intercept. You have to put 0 where you see x. 5 minus 2 into 0 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. So y is equals to 2 5s are 10 and 10 2s are 20. Hence axis intercepts are 5 upon 2 comma 0, or you can write 2.5 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0. Now find the AND behavior. So how to find the AND behavior? See carefully. If we goes x is positive infinity, so you can see the equation, that is if you multiply all x in the given equation, minus 2x into x is minus 2x square, and minus 2x square into x is minus 2x cube. This will give you y is approaching negative infinity when x is approaching positive infinity. Similarly, when x goes to negative infinity, obviously y goes to positive infinity. Therefore, the graph is from top to bottom. Now it's a time to sketch the graph. You have axis, x intercepts, draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x, this is y, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is 0. So minus 1 comma 0 is over here, and minus 2 comma 0 obviously over here. 5 upon 2, that is 2.5, obviously over here. You can write, this is minus 2, this is minus 1, and this is 5 upon 2. And for y-axis, the coordinate is obviously x is 0, and we have find y is 20, 0 20. So you can say this is 20. Okay, this is rough sketch. Now join the points. Sorry, yes. So this is the graph. Now because the requirement is to draw the graph of modulus function, so we have to reflect the part of the graph which is below the x-axis, that is. So this is our graph. If you want to see this one, this one, this one. So only reflected part you have to show, because this is modulus function. So hope you completely understand part C. Now move to part, this is part B, sorry. Now move to part C. What is part C? This one. Y is equals to x 9 minus x square modulus. So again, first we have to consider this function is without modulus. Y is equals to x, and this is 9 minus x square. So if we factorize verbally, 9 minus x square can be write 3 square minus x square and apply a square minus b square result, which gives you a minus b into a plus b, that is 3 minus x and 3 plus x. Now find the x-intercepts. So first we have to find x-intercept. Put y is equals to 0, x 3 minus x 3 plus x. This gives you x is equals to 0, x is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 3. Okay, now find x-intercept. Put y is equals to, sorry, x is equals to 0. So 0 into 9 minus 0 is square. Something multiplied by 0 is always 0. So our coordinates are, when x is 0, then y is 0. When x is 3, y is 0. When x is minus 3, y is 0. And for y intercept, this is also 0. So it means the graph should pass through the origin. So draw the x and y axis. X axis, y axis. This is origin I mentioned. So 0 0 and 3 0 you can say over here, and minus 3 0 you can say over here. So our graph is look like this one. Now okay, these two lines just showing that graphs goes forever, and this part, because we have to draw the graph of modulus function, so this part must be reflected, which is below x-axis. So our graph is like this, and then this red, and then this one, and then this one. So hope you completely understand how to draw the graph of modulus cubical function. Move to part D, which is last part of question number 5. So very easy exercise, you can see. part D is y is equals to 3 x minus 1 square x plus 1 modulus. So first we have to consider that this graph is, this curve, sorry, is without the modulus sign. And now find the axis intercept. First we have to put y is 0. So 3 x minus 1 square x plus 1. So 0, 3 divided by 0 is 0, x minus 1 square x plus 1. From here you can take the value of x minus 1 square is equals to 0. This will give you x is equals to 1, and x plus 1 gives you minus 1. That's it. And now find y-intercept. We have to put x is equals to 0. That is 3. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 square, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So y is equals to 3. So the coordinates are 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. That is y-intercept. You can see, as if you find the end behavior, as x approaches to positive infinity, y is also approaches to positive infinity. Similarly, as x approaches to negative infinity, y is also approaches to negative infinity. How you can check? You can see for any positive value of x gives you positive value of y, and any negative value of x gives you negative value of y. I am talking about the equation without modulus function. Now it's a time to sketch. This is, you can say, minus 1. This is origin. This is plus 1. And this one is 0, 3, means like this. So our graph is like this, like this. So you can see there is no part of the curve which is below x-axis, so no need to reflect any part. So this is our final answer. So students, hope you understand completely question number 5, all parts. Total part D, total D parts, and we did all parts. Now move to question number 6. Factorize each of these functions and then sketch the graph of each functions. Indicate clearly the axis intercepts. 100% same questions, 100% Same just like question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. But one extra requirement, that is the question, the given equation is not factorized. So we have to factorize each and every equation first and then sketch the graph. Very easy. So y is equals to, take x is common, it is 9 minus x square. Then y is equals to x, 3 minus x, 3 plus x. That's it. This is the first requirement. The given equation has factorized. Now sketching the same rule, find x-intercept, put y is equals to 0, x, 3 minus x, 3 plus x. This gives you x is equal to 0, x is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 3. In order to find y-intercept, put x is 0, that is 0. I am putting in this factorized form. 0 into 9 minus 0 square is 0. Something multiplied by 0 is always 0. So when x is 0, then y is 0. When x is 3, then y is 0. When x is minus 3, y is 0. So these are the axis intercepts. Now find the end behavior. If x approaches to positive infinity, then y is approaches to, you can see, negative infinity. Similarly, if x approaches to negative infinity, then y approaches to positive infinity. So what I told you in previous questions, our graph is from bottom to top. What should be the sketch look like? X-axis, y-axis, this is origin, this is minus 3, 0. You can say this is 3, 0. And now sketch from bottom to top like this. This one. Very easy. Move to next part. Part B. Y is equals to x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 6. How to factorize this? Very easy. You know, factorizing cubical expressions, there are so many methods. One is scientific division and other is to convert two factors. One is quadratic and other is linear. We have discussed, too much discussed when we were doing chapter number 4. Already I did upload whole chapter of 4, each and every exercise, each and every part. So first we have to find first factor. If we put x is equals to 1, we will get x cube 1, 4 into 1 square is 4 plus 1 minus 6. So you can say x minus 1 is a factor. Those students who feel difficulties, kindly go to my playlist, watch lectures of chapter number 4, I think exercise 4.3 or 4.4. You can check and watch previous lectures. Definitely you will have good command. Now x minus 1, right? X square plus bx plus 6. What are the method? You know we need x cube. So x cube means x into x square, we will get x cube. And the middle term always plus bx. And why I wrote 6 over here? Because we need minus 6 constant in the given expression. So minus 1 multiplied by positive 6, obviously we will get minus 6. Now the question is x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 6. Now compare the coefficient, because the question will be and if we get success to find the value of b. How it is possible? X into bx, which is bx square, minus 1 to x square is minus x square, and here right hand side the coefficient, the term is 4x square. Taking x square is common, b minus 1 4x square. From here if we compare b minus 1, compare both the coefficient of x square, we will get b minus 1 is equals to 4 and b is equals to minus 1 plus 4 is 5. Now our function is x minus 1 into x square plus bx, which is 5x plus 6. Factorize this. X square plus 5x plus 6, this is quadratic expression. Apply the middle term break method, we will get x minus 1 x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, x minus 1, taking x is common, x plus 2 plus 3 is common, x plus 2. Hence x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 are the required factors. So first requirement has fulfilled, and obviously it is equals to y. Now find the axis intercepts, means find x-intercept to put y is equals to 0, x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, which gives you x is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 3. To find y-intercept, put x is equals to 0 minus 1 and plus 2, because 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Therefore, our axis intercepts are x is 1, y is 0, x is minus 2, y is 0, x is minus 3, y is 0, and x is 0, y is minus 6. Now, find the AND behavior. Obviously, if you see carefully, as x goes to positive infinity, then y goes to positive infinity as well, because any positive value of x gives you any positive value of y. Similarly, as x goes to negative infinity, y is also goes to negative infinity. Therefore, the AND behavior is from top to bottom. Okay. sorry, bottom to top, because sorry, it's my mistake. Bottom to top. Now sketch the graph. The first value is 1 0, you can say over here, and minus 2 0 over here, minus 3 0 over here, and 0 minus 6 you can say over here. So this is 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 6. This is the graph from bottom to top. I hope you completely understand part B. Now move to part C. Kindly wait. Move to part C. What is part C? Y equals to 2x cube plus x square minus 25x plus 12. Again, the first requirement is to factorize this cubical expression. Very easy. First we have to find the first factor. If you put x is equals to minus 4 in the given expression, you will get 2 minus 4 cube plus minus 4 square 25 minus 4 plus 12. Minus 4 cube is minus 64, minus 64 twos are minus 128. Minus 4 square is plus 16. Minus 25 into minus 4 is plus 100 and plus 12. You can see 100, 16 and 12 is 128, and positive 128, negative 128 gives you 0. So x plus 4 is a factor. So write x plus 4. You need 2x cube, so we have to write 2x square, and plus bx is same. You need plus 12, so you have to write 3. This is very important. Is equals to, the question is 2x cube plus x square minus 25x plus 12. Now we have to find the value of b. Take only x square coefficient. X, 4 into 2 x square is 8 x square, and x into bx is bx square, and right hand side is x square. Taking x square, so 8 plus b is equals to x square. So left hand side coefficient is 8 plus b, right hand coefficient is b. So b is equals to minus 7. Put this minus 7 instead of b, x plus 4. So 2x square plus bx minus 7x plus 3. Now find the remaining two factors. It's a time to apply middle term break method. So 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, so it is 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3. Taking 2x is common, x minus 3 minus 1 is common, x minus 3, x plus 4, x minus 3, 2x minus 1. Obviously this is equals to y. Now this question reduced to just like question 4 and question 5. Find the axis intercept, put y is equals to 0, so x plus 4, x minus 3, 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. This gives you x is equals to minus 4, x is equals to 3, x is equals to 1 upon 2. Now find y-intercept, put x is equals to 0. 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. You will get 4, 3s are 12, 1s are 12, minus minus plus. Now write the coordinate axis. X is minus 4, y is 0, x is 3, y is 0, x is 1 upon 2, y is 0, and x is 0, y is 12. Now write the AND behavior. You can see in the equation in factorized form, as x goes to positive infinity, y is also goes to positive infinity, because every value of x gives you, every positive value of x gives you positive value of y. Similarly, x goes to negative infinity, y is also goes to negative infinity. It means every negative value of x gives you every negative value of y. So what is the graph? Obviously from top to bottom, from top to bottom, sorry, I am sorry again, from bottom to top. This is very important. Now it's a time to sketch the graph. Minus 4 0 you can say over here, and half 0 you can say over here, 3 0 you can say over here, 0 12 you can say on y-axis. So this is minus 4, this is half, this is 3, and this is 12. Our graph is from bottom to top, means this one. No need to find the turning points. This is not the requirement. Otherwise we have to find the maximum or minimum point in order to find second and first derivative, but this is not the requirement of the question. Move to last part, D. I don't know why this window is opening. Maybe the cursor is automatically touch. Okay, last part, D. Y equals to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 29x minus 60. Find the first factor, put minus 3. Actually, why I'm putting minus 4 and minus 3? Just use the scientific calculator to get the first factor easily. So 2 minus 3 cube plus 3 minus 3 square minus 29 minus 3 minus 60. Minus 3 cube minus 27 to the minus 54. 3 square 9, 3 is 27. 29 into 3 minus minus plus is 87 minus 60. Minus 54 minus 60 is minus 114, and 87 plus 27 is plus 114. You can see you will get the first factor. So x plus 3 is a factor. Now x plus 3, what we need, 2x cube, so we have to write 2x square plus bx, and we need minus 60, so we have to put minus 20 over here, because minus 20 into 3 is minus 60, is equals to, the given question is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 29x minus 60. Now take the coefficient of x square. 3 into 3 to the 6 x square, and x into bx is bx square is equals to 3x square. Taking x square is common, 6 plus b, 3x square, 6 plus b is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 3, b is equals to minus 3. So our equation reduced to be x plus 3, 2x square plus bx minus 3x minus 20, x plus 3. Apply the middle term break method. 20 to the 40, 8 5 the 48 minus 5 is 3. So 2x square minus 8x plus 5x minus 20. X plus 3, taking 2x common, x minus 4, 5 is common, x minus 4, x plus 3, 2x plus 5, x minus 4, and this should be equals to y. It's a time to find the axis intercepts. First find x-intercept, write y is equals to 0, x plus 3, 2x plus 5, x minus 4. This will gives you my x is minus 3 and minus 5 upon 2 and 4. Find y-intercept, put x is equals to 0, 0 plus 3. 2 into 0 plus 5 is 5, and 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 5 3 the 15, 4 the minus 60. Therefore, the axis intercept are x minus 3 y 0, x minus 5.2 y 0, x 4 y 0, x 0 y minus 60. It's a time to find the AND behavior. AND behavior is very important. AND behavior decides where the graph goes to. As you can see, x approaches positive infinity, then y is also approaches positive infinity. You can see on the screen for any positive value of x, y is also positive. As x is approaches to negative infinity, y is approaches to negative infinity. For any negative value of x, y is also negative. Therefore, the graph is from bottom to top. So minus 30 minus 5.20. So this is minus 5.2 you can say, and this is minus 3, and this is 4, and this is minus 60, and this one is origin. So what should be the shape from top to bottom? What does it mean from top to bottom? Look at this. Sorry, from bottom to top. I'm sorry. This is the graph. So hope you understand entire question, entire shape, all parts of question number 6. So student, this is our today's class where we did question number 5 all parts on, and question number 6 all parts. Only 2 questions are left which I will do in next lecture. Kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.